Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of peasant. A poor farmer of low social status who owns or rents a small piece of land for cultivation, chiefly in historical use or with reference to subsistence farming in poorer countries. For example, peasants left the farms to work in industry. American pronunciation. Peasant. Peasant. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Peasant. Say. Peasant. Peasant means poor smallholder or agricultural laborer of low social status. Peasant. Peasant. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The black majority were reduced to impoverished peasants and landless laborers. Now, repeat after me. The black majority were reduced to impoverished peasants and landless laborers. The second practice. Noble, bourgeois, and peasant alike associated status with exemption from public demands. Now, repeat after me. Noble, bourgeois, and peasant alike associated status with exemption from public demands.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.